Oh boy. Looks like we got some rain, folks. Oh well. YouTube, what's going on today? I hope you guys are having a good day. Today is Friday. You guys know I'm happy to be off and to be able to film again for you guys, okay? So this video is going to be real quick to the point. Just going to tell y'all what's going on this pretty much this weekend for the channel, what I'm going to be doing on the Cummins. I got a couple things I want to show y'all, but before I even hit that up, and I'm not going to mention this every single time for the channel, I'm just going to mention it maybe like maybe every other video, or every 2 videos, like I'll mention it or something like that. But first things first, I have to say thank you so much for all of the supporters who have already placed orders for the Everything Diesel stickers, okay? Because if you didn't watch last video, I did get stickers sent to the house that I had on order. My boy hooked it up really good now, so we got more stickers on the way. You guys killed it. I told you guys I had 20. I think right now we have 6. I think we have 6 stickers left until the next order comes in. Next order should be here within the next couple of weeks. So if you want a sticker now, don't sleep on it, don't wait. Please get that order in. All you gotta do is shoot me an email to everythingdiesel@gmail.com and go from there, and I'll tell you how to send the money via PayPal, okay? So definitely thank you guys so much for your orders on the stickers. I really appreciate it, okay? If you got, this is what it looks like on the paper, and if you guys want to know, that's what it looks like on the truck, okay? It does take a little bit of time to, you know, fully peel it off and whatnot, especially if it's cold outside, but that is what the sticker looks like. It came out phenomenal, man. I love it. It took me a while to come up with a design that I wanted to rock, and this right here nailed it on the head. Really good. So if you guys want a sticker, please, just all you gotta do is shoot me an email, everythingdiesel@gmail.com. Email will be down below with a description explaining how to place the order, so that way you can get your sticker. Stickers also, they're going to be going out in mail. I'm going to be mailing them out tomorrow morning, so you guys should get them within the next week, okay? So I just wanted to show y'all that. You guys got a little sneak peek of what's coming up too. Look at that right there. So you guys, I wanted to show you something, nothing bad or crazy going on with the Cummins, but this is something that caught my eye because, as you guys know, I'm always looking at my truck, making sure everything's tight, everything's hunky-dory, especially with the winter coming up. You definitely want to make sure your ride is tight and everything's safe for you, your family, if you're going to be riding around in your truck, okay? So one thing I did notice I wanted to show you guys, which led me to getting brake pads, is 2 things, okay? I'm going to show you the first one now. So if you look at my rims, right, I know they're dirty, okay? Now, it might be hard to see on the camera, but we have orange dust, okay? We got orange dust between the rims on the spokes and stuff, and it's only on the front tires. So I came to this side, and it's drizzling out here right now while I'm recording this. So look at that, okay? That is orange, like rust, like pretty much like, yeah, it's pretty much like rust, okay? So if you look, it's hard to clean it up. You can see it all around here, okay? Now, what that my brake pads are starting to get low, or they're already starting to make contact to where they're touching metal on metal contact. I don't think it's that bad yet, because when I brake, it honestly brakes like normal, pretty good. But we have a squeak coming from this wheel. Now, this is the minimal, like the bare basic troubleshooting by checking your brake pads and changing them. I knew these brake pads were gonna have to get changed soon. When I was doing the lift on the truck earlier in the summer, I was less than 4 millimeters. So usually when you get to about 2 millimeters thickness on your pads, that is the recommended time to change them out. So I knew I was coming up to that point. But once I started hearing the squeaking, and what happened is when you start rolling, you would hear it, and you can tell it's due to rotation. But then when you would hit the brake, or if you would tap the brake slowly, it would go away. But then when you let off the brake, it would come back. So that has me believing that the squeaker clip, or whatever people call it, it has me believing that it's starting to make contact with the rotor. And what you don't want is, you do not want that to make contact with the rotor all the time, because eventually what it's going to do is it is going to end up gouging into your rotors. Rotors cost twice as much as brake pads. I went to AutoZone, or Advanced Auto, and it's getting wet. I went to Advanced Auto, picked these up they're $52. These are Weavers, or CarQuest Weavers Platinums. So these are like the highest quality ones they have. Semi-ceramics. These are $52.99, but Advanced Auto had a 20% coupon for brake parts over $50. So I paid 45 bucks for these pads. They came out, it came out to a great deal. I'm gonna come over here so I can open the box without getting stuff wet, so I can show you guys. So if you come in here, it comes with the Platinum Series, comes with a pack of car grease, so you don't have to worry about that. It comes with new clips for your brakes. And then check this out, man. These are some nice looking high quality brake pads. I've never had brake pads like this before. Honestly, I don't even think I've changed brake pads on my last truck, but brake jobs is something that doesn't get done often, just because the way they make the new brake pads, they last really long. I mean, if you get a brand new car, I mean, my buddy has a Civic and his brake pads are stock, and he's had the car since 2015, brand new. I think he has like 40 or 60,000 miles on them, and they're still in good condition. So brake pads last a lot longer than what they used to due to the technology. And these are super thick. They're supposed to be nice, quiet, low friction. So these are going to probably be a really, really good job. Expect this video. I will be doing a brake job video on the channel. Expect this video on Sunday, okay? Now, don't get sad, don't get mad, because we will have a video tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be the video that I should have done a long time ago, but I was extremely busy and I just didn't, the timing was just bad. I kind of feel bad for mentioning it and waiting so long to do it. But if you guys watched probably about 4 or 5 videos ago, I mentioned about doing a winter prep video for your Cummins, okay? Now, it's going to be multiple topics within the video, talking about what you want to do to your diesel truck for the upcoming winter. Now, I know some of you already had winter if you're in the Midwest or up north, high up north. I know winter already hit you guys. Some of y'all have snow already. So, even if you haven't done it yet, this video can still be beneficial to you. Or even if you've done some stuff, maybe you'll pick up a couple tips with my video that you didn't think about, and you'll be like, oh man, that's a good point. I need to do that. So definitely check that video out tomorrow when I release it. Right here, what we have is some replacement filters for my air dog. We have a fuel filter. This is a Donaldson. I went with the part number P551315, and we have a water separator right here, okay? Part number is right there. I'm not gonna read it because I don't feel like it. Okay, now if you're wondering why did I go with this brand Donaldson, hey, check it out. I went on Amazon. Air Dog fuel filters, it's starting to rain, so that's why I'm not out there. Air Dog fuel filters were about 50, 60 bucks. I was like, that's a little bit for some fuel filters. These were $30 for both of them on Amazon, prime shipping. I will have a link down below if you want to order some filters for your lift pump. These will fit Air Dog 2, Air Dog 2 4G. Pretty sure it will fit an original Air Dog. Not 100% sure on that one, but I know for sure it will definitely fit a 4G and an Air Dog 2. So this is just one little part in the series I will be doing, not even a series, in the episode I'll be doing tomorrow about winter prep for your Cummins, okay? It's highly important that, you take the precautions before you start driving your truck through different seasons, because during summer, all we got to worry about really is just rain, so make sure you got some good tires on it. But winter, man, winter brings a whole nother game. So, corrosion, salt, all that crazy stuff, man. And that in the cold weather. So if you got parts that are old, worn, dry, rotty, all sorts of stuff, man. I'm going to talk about that tomorrow. It'll be a really good video. I hope you guys will really like it for sure. So definitely. So you guys, that's really what I wanted to talk to you guys about for this video. The stickers, the upcoming video tomorrow, and the brake job I'm going to be doing on the Cummins. Now, I only got pads for the front, so I'm doing the front pads. Although I do really need to do the back pads because they've been on since I bought the truck, and it's been 2 years now. So I'm sure they need to get changed, even though rear pads do not get used as much as the front pads. But still, you know what I'm saying? I will be doing a video on that too eventually whenever I get to that part. But for now, we'll definitely be doing this. One thing I didn't talk about in my last video, and I originally filmed it, but I didn't put it in because it was gonna be way too long, and I didn't want you guys watching the 18-20 minute video. When I was in San Diego last week, I picked up some products from Chemical Guys, okay? As you guys know, I'm kind of like a mini detail or car enthusiast, like detail buff. Like I like watching videos on like Chemical Guys, Adams Polishes, Jack's Wax makes awesome products and stuff like that. So when I was in Chemical, I went and visit the Chemical Guys main headquarters store in Los Angeles, okay? I went there, I talked to some of the guys. They were super friendly, super helpful, answered all my questions I had, and I picked up I pretty much went Christmas shopping, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got from them, okay? Now, all this stuff here, I picked up, disregard that, all right? This bag right here is what I really want to talk about. I'll go through these ones real quick. So here I picked up some accessories. I picked up an extra large woolly, it's like a woolly mammoth or big mofo noodle towel. So for washing the truck it'd be a lot faster because it's a bigger rag. I picked up a wheel cleaner, a Red Rocket Mini. I need this bad because of you guys know how I have those honeycomb style rims, and this is gonna save me so much time when I'm cleaning the wheels. So I'm excited about that. And then I picked up some more accessories in here. I got some air freshener, some soap, and some tire shine in that bag. But this bag is the one I really wanted to hit up on. So tell me if you guys want this video, okay? I will be gladly to do it. I picked up some sealant. I have the sealant and I have some glaze. I picked up some Chemical Guys Jet Seal. This is supposed to be good for up to 12 months of protection. As you guys know, the winter is coming and I love to take care of my truck paint. I have an original paint job on the truck. White, yes, white is the easiest paint to maintain and take care of, and it shows the least amount of defects, but it still looks good when it's clean. So as you guys know, I love taking care. I mean, shit, I'll walk out here right now, it's raining. Look at these beads, okay? That's all from taking care of my truck. You know, I'm a stickler when it comes to this. I don't play around, man. If my truck doesn't have beads on it, if the water's not sheeting off of it, I'm kind of pissed off. But anyways, tell me if you guys want this video of me showing how to apply a sealant to a truck, okay? Now, if you're asking why didn't you go with the ceramic coat route, my thought is this is over 2018. This is about to be an 11-year, actually, it is 10 years old because the truck was manufactured in 2007. This is a 11-year-old paint job. You know, ceramic coating it, yes, it would be good for it and it would protect the paint and stuff. But in my eyes, the truck's already 10 years old, paint's original, like, it has little defects here and there. You know, I got little chips on the bumper, on the tailgate, you know, it's little imperfections to where I just don't think it's worth ceramic coating this truck unless I completely repainted it or it was brand new. So I'm not going to pay $120 for a ceramic coat kit because I think a sealant would be good for this truck, especially because it's white. You know, if I had a black truck, I would definitely look into ceramic coating. I picked up some more stuff here, some carnauba wax. I got some glaze here. This stuff I'm gonna be, or this is sealant, my bad. Got glaze right here, Easy Cream Glaze, check that out. So I can do a mini tutorial video if you guys are interested on the Cummins. I think it'll be cool. Absolutely. So let me know what you guys feel about that. So we got that's what we have going on right now. I can make a lot of interesting videos for you guys. Definitely my priority right now is gonna be those brake pads, getting those cleaned or getting those changed out with some brand new brake pads. And then we're also going to be making that video where we're going to be pretty much doing a mini service, a mini tune-up, if you want to call it that, on the Cummins for winter coming up. Okay, you guys recently, maybe about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, watched my coolant change video where I put Amsoil coolant into it. So that was that with that. But yeah, so definitely, man, you guys let me know in the comments down below, please. Alright, you guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Please do me a huge favor. If you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up because it helps out the channel so much. Thank you guys for the orders on the stickers already. I really appreciate it. You guys have killed it. I did not expect a surge like that within a short amount of time because I think I announced the stickers on Thursday or Wednesday and we're all over halfway sold on those stickers. So you guys are awesome. I really appreciate the sales on that. And once again, if you want to order a sticker, email is everythingdiesel@gmail.com. All you gotta do is email me your name and your address, and then I will send you, and then I will email you details on how to send the payment via PayPal, okay? So until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, and y'all peace out. Have a good weekend. God bless.